Hey, we're Sakura Sky, and we're not just advisors or consultants. We are hands-on engineers, data scientists, and security experts. We build the systems you rely on every single day. We solve the kinds of problems that keep you up at night, because frankly, they keep us up at night too. We're here to help you engineer a truly modern data foundation.
So, in this quick explainer, here's what we're going to cover. We'll kick things off by talking about what it means to be a real partner in engineering. Then, we'll dive into the modern data challenge, what it looks like today. After that, we'll get into our core capabilities, show you how we move from strategy to security, and finally, how we deliver real, tangible value.
All right, let's start with who we are. At our very core, we are your partners in engineering. Our whole focus is on building these comprehensive, cloud-native solutions that don't just, store your data, but actually unlock its full potential to drive your business forward. And this quote, this really is everything. We are not theorists. We're practitioners. We live and breathe this stuff. We understand that constant pressure to innovate, the sheer complexity of modern systems, and that nonstop need to secure it all, because that's our world too. We come to the table as peers, ready to build right alongside you.
Okay, so let's talk about the world we're all operating in. The modern data challenge, it's this constant balancing act, isn't it? It's between moving at the speed of innovation and having ironclad security. And honestly, the stakes have never been higher.
This is a question that every single technical leader needs to be wrestling with right now. See, AI agents, they're a totally new class of user, which means they're a totally new class of risk. They operate at machine speed, at an incredible scale, and trying to apply that old principle of least privilege, it's just incredibly difficult. Without the right architecture, your most powerful tool can become your biggest insider threat in a heartbeat. And at the same time, we're all still fighting that classic battle against data silos. I mean, everyone wants a data-driven culture, right? But you just can't get that kind of agility when your data is all fragmented and locked away in different systems. To really break down those walls for good, you need a genuinely modern data foundation.
In this slide really nails the critical shift that's required. That old world of the rigid, centralized data warehouse, where you had to define the entire data structure before you could even write to it, that schema-on-write model, it just can't keep up. A modern foundation is all about flexibility. It embraces any and all data types, it's built for event-driven architectures, and it allows for decentralized ownership. It is a fundamental leap towards speed and agility.
And look, this isn't some abstract, far-off problem. This is happening right now. Projections are showing that by 2025, which is right around the corner, a staggering 95% of financial customer interactions will be powered by AI. Modernizing your data strategy is no longer just about getting a competitive edge. It's quickly becoming a basic requirement for survival.
So, given that reality, how do we help you win? Let's get into our core capabilities. This is the foundation for how we approach every single engagement.
It really boils down to this. Everything we do, every solution we build, is seen through the lens of world-class data engineering, guided by a really clear and pragmatic strategy. And all of it is grounded in strong, intelligent governance. This isn't just a tagline for us. It's literally our operational DNA.
We think about this in two foundational pillars. First, we engineer modern cloud foundations that are robust, resilient, and ready for whatever's coming next. Then, once that solid foundation is in place, we build the pipelines, the platforms, and help foster the culture to turn your data from just an asset into your biggest competitive advantage.
Our expertise is really interconnected across these four key areas: cloud, data, AI, and security. You see, you can't have great AI without great data. You can't have great data without a resilient cloud platform. And, well, none of it matters if it isn't secure. They all have to work together, and that's how we create a complete, holistic solution.
So how do we actually make this happen for you? How do we make it real? Well, we translate these capabilities into tangible results using our proven solution frameworks.
First up is what we call Accelerate. This is really designed for teams that need to get aligned and start moving quickly. It's a rapid enablement framework that really closes the gap between a great strategic idea and a hands-on implementation.
Accelerate is built on two simple but really powerful sprints. We kick off with an Activate sprint to get all the stakeholders in a room aligned on a shared plan. From there, we go directly into an Experience sprint, where your own team gets their hands on the keyboard, building a real prototype in your environment, with our experts guiding them every single step of the way.
Next up is our Catalyst framework. Now, if Accelerate is all about building fast, Catalyst is about planning smart. It provides that absolutely crucial data-driven plan before you commit to a massive, large-scale build.
Catalyst is a really clear three-step process. We start by aligning on the business objectives, then we do a deep dive readiness assessment of your current architecture, and what comes out of that is a precise, actionable roadmap, complete with cost modeling and a clear path to get you AI ready.
And of course, underpinning all of this has to be security. That's where Sentinel comes in. It's our comprehensive security and compliance solution, and it's designed specifically to give you the guardrails you need to deploy trustworthy and secure AI systems, from pilot to production.
Sentinel gives you these critical layers of defense. It covers everything from static code analysis to runtime security that acts like a firewall for your AI agents, blocking threats like prompt injection in real time. And what's so crucial is that it creates a tamper-proof, verifiable audit trail. That gives you full traceability and makes compliance so much easier. Okay, so finally, let's talk about value. Because at the end of the day, that's what matters. We believe in proving our worth not just through partnership, but through concrete, demonstrable outcomes.
And we have delivered. We've designed unified data and AI platforms for Major League sports teams. We've built decentralized insights platforms for some of the biggest retailers out there. We've engineered high-security cloud architectures for cybersecurity leaders. We've even delivered models that can detect cancer cells in real time. These outcomes really speak to the depth and breadth of our engineering expertise.
We partner with you in two really flexible ways. Through professional services, we can jump in on a project basis to tackle specific design, migration, or implementation challenges. And with our managed services, we become a true extension of your team, providing an ongoing partnership to manage the security, monitoring, and optimization of your critical systems.
As we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this one thought. Success in this new era of AI, it isn't just a race to be the fastest. It's about building a foundation of trust. The companies that will truly win are the ones who design for a zero-trust world right from the very beginning. That is the foundation we can help you build. So if you're ready to engineer your data advantage and you want to navigate all the complexities of modern cloud, data, and AI with a true partner by your side, let's have a conversation. Let's build it together.